This week on Backyard Builds.
I bought another car. Oh, I'm getting in so much trouble.
That's you, not me.
Let's go for a drive. No, it still doesn't start.
Oh.
Coming up on Backyard Builds.
You better tell us about it because it's yours.
It is mine, isn't it?
We just decided that it's yours.
This is a EH Holden ute, for the viewers that don't know. As you can see, it was a Swiss Motors ute. It's not a Swiss Motors car, but...
So Swiss Motors used to be in Fishwick here in Canberra. Obviously serviced all European
manufacturers.
Cars. So pretty cool sign writing on it.
Yeah, all hand painted. It's all still there.
Shut up.
Birds. And to go with the theme of Backyard Builds,
on the theme of me and Thomas's friendship.
Yeah. It was originally a shitty blue ute.
Saxon got a shitty blue ute?
No, he doesn't.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Let's have a look at this interior.
As far as I'm aware, the seat's been changed, but that's still got the original floor mat in there, I'm pretty sure. Steering wheel's been changed, but that's not a huge drama. A few interesting little facts about the ute. It was offered up to me about a week ago, so I jumped on it. I think it's a legitimate original car. It has a matching key for the ignition, door, spare wheel tailgate, which is normally good signs. It's not been fiddled with too much. Another sign that gives away it might be an original car is it doesn't actually have a lock in the driver's door. That was a thing done by Holden because it was a commercial vehicle. They never put door locks in driver's doors. Supposedly it was for quick access for drivers to get in and out. It's got widened 13s on it.
And one of the most aggressive snow tyres I've ever seen.
Yeah, she's obviously seen a few miles. Get the bonnet up. Other signs that tells me it's an original car, not been fiddled with, is this is a 149 motor. This would have been optioned into this car as a high compression motor. Giveaways for me, it still runs a generator as opposed to an alternator, which is what happened when they were swapping from grey to red. It's also got cast intake manifold, so it's a cast steel, cast iron manifold, so that thing would weigh about as much as Zach's whole fucking body. It's probably had the brakes done at some stage. That's pretty much to be expected. There's not a lot else about it. It's an original car. It's missing a few bits and pieces. Cowl vent, the trims that go around the headlights. I think that's all it's missing actually. But we're gonna try and get it running today.
Because you can't see out the front of your house forever.
Yeah, I look like a bloody hoarder. So we'll try and get it running. Worst case,
you look like a hoarder.
Worst case, if it doesn't run, we'll tow it into the yard and we'll put it away for a rainy day. But yeah, this is the latest one.
Like we needed another project.
Oh, like a hole in the head. Oh yeah, it's had a bit of weight reduction done back here. Factory style weight reduction.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Still got spring cover. It's lowered on this side only.
We'll fix that up, but
We'll come up with a bit of plan and we'll let you know. So this is the new project. Bad ideas. But let us know what you think. Let us know what you think you would do with it. What do you think we should do with it?
It's not copping an LS.
It's not going to get anything done, I think.
Apart from
maybe fix that. Maybe not. So we tried to hit the key and nothing happened. That battery's probably super dead. Not a supercharge, it's a super dead. Brakes seem to have feel. Clutch just went swinging in the breeze. So we're just going to try and bleed up the clutch now and to see if we can make sure it's in neutral before we put a screwdriver to the starter motor and try and kick it. Ready, Zach?
I'm ready.
Okay, cool. This is my little bleeder jar. It's like a little bit of 6mm clear line so you can see the brake fluid or the clutch fluid, and a couple of flare nut spanners. You can see they got extra length on them. Pass it over to Zach, and I'll try and get some footage of this under there. There you go, mate. Excuse the angle of the dangle, folks, but Zach will just give us a quick rundown.
Oh. So we just cleaned it off with a wire brush. I got a bit of TIG wire and just jammed it in the bleed hole because it was full of grease. So was the nut. So we've got the spanner on. We've had to use a ring spanner. It just feels a bit tighter than the pipe spanner. We're using the closed end of the ring spanner. Don't use the open end. It generally rounds them off and makes this job extremely hard. Push the pipe on, pipe's in the jar, so Tom's going to jump up, pump the pedal a few times, hold for the floor. I'll crack it, let it air out. I'll close it up, Tom will do it, and then we'll repeat that same process again.
Yeah, and we'll also just keep an eye on the masters, and you don't want to bleed it dry, because then you've got to start all over again. Don't you, Zach?
Because it starts sucking air again.
Yeah, back to square one. Alright, let's get into it. Key.
Okay.
Maybe. Which ones do we want?
No bueno.
No bueno. That's solenoid.
Starter's rooted.
Possibly.
You'd have another one out the back, wouldn't you?
Oh, there's plenty in stock.
So yeah, what are you going to do now?
Well,
Everything seems to be moving there.
seems to move nicely. It seems to have some compression to it. Somebody will hear it.
So that starter's no good.
I'd say so, yeah. Still nothing on the key. Have to swap the starter motor out. Oh, this is spare. Just if we ever need that, there it is.
Good luck getting it flat again.
It's on the brass. Dog does bigger shits than me.